Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Friday, October the 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: Killer Sudoku and the Four Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzles. News of the day, well, I've showed you the front page. Hamas leader Sinwar terminated by the Israelis. Yes. News of today. Okay. 4 stars. Number 9452. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. A 4 stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright. We have here 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the twos are a majority. Can I start with the 2? Yeah. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 2. Well, cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. 2 1 2 5. Need 5 here. There. Come on. 3 1 1. Need a 1 there. 9 9. Well, 6 3 8 1 2 3 4 3 8 3 8 2 3 8 2, and I need a 6 here. This one is not easy. 5. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 1. 1 here. 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 in the first row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 1. 2 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 8 4. Need a 4 here. 1 here. 8. Need 8 there. 8 there. 8 8 8. 8 3. 2 there. 9 here. Need 8. 8 3. 1 2 3 3 3 5 and 7. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this big square. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8. 3, 3, need a 6, need a 3, 6, and 2. 3, 6, and 2. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the last row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this number 1, number 8. Let me see. 7, 2, 5, 1, 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3. Come on, come on, come on. 2. 7 here. But the 9. 7. 3, 7, 6. 3, 7, 6. 3, 7, 6. Need a 9 here. 9 there, okay. 2 there. 5, 5, 5 here. 5 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. 9. 9, 6, 7. 9, 6, 7. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for the 9. Cube here, cube there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3, cube here, cube there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 6. We have 4 and 6 in this row, so no 4 and 6 in this box. 4 and 6 goes in these 3 boxes. So we have 4, 6, and a 3. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 9, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Mark those 2 boxes here with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 1, 3, 7. No, cannot continue. 9, 9, need a 9 there. Need a 9 here, and I need a 9 there. We have a pair, the 2 and a 9 in this column, the 2 and a 9 in the column next, the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for 2 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes. That's a pair, 2 and a 9. That means 4, 6, and a 3 are left here. 4, 6, and a 3. 4 6 1 4 6, and I need a 5 here in the first column. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, so the 4 and the 6 are left here. Well, 6 and 3. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there also. Yeah. 1 1, need a 1 here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. The last row, the only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, so the 7 could be here, could be there. 7, I need a 1 in this row. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Here also 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the last column, the only place left for 1 should be here then. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. How about the 2? 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 7, need a 6 here. Well, we need a 6 in this row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, so the 6 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number, I believe the 7. This can be 7, 1 and 6. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 5 5 5 5, okay. 2 7, and I need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4 5 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there, because we have a 3 in this column. 3 could be here, could be there. So this can be a 3. We have a pair here, 4 and a 6. 4 6 and a 3 here, 4 and a 6. That means this can be 4 or 6 here. We've already 4 and a 6 here, so this box should be definitely a 3. This can be 3, 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between second column, the only place level 3 should be there. 4 6, the other pair in this big square, the number 1 is missing, the 2 3, the 4 5 6 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Let me see. Here also 4 and a 6. Can be a 7. We have a 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 and a 6. We have a 6 there, so this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Here we have a 2, here we have a 2, so the 2 in this row should be in one of these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. The only place level 2 should be here. 5 in this column. Oh wait. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 and a 6. Come on, come on, come on. 5. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level the 6 should be there. 2 and the 6, we have 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 9, we have 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 9 goes there. The 9, 3 and 4 is missing, 9, 3 and a 4, 4, 9. One box left in this column for the number, I believe the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so 3 goes there. So one digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, not faster than 15, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with our last puzzle for today, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.